The unity in the world is possible when we realize that essentially there is something very deep within each and every one of the living entities on this planet. And what's inside of the coverings that differentiates the different races, different ethnicities, is this beautiful spark, which is called the Self, the illuminated Self. And each and every living entity in the world has that same spiritual spark. And when we cultivate our consciousness, where our consciousness rises up, then we'll be able to see unity in the world and experience it and live it. As long as we are seeing the world with the eyes, then we may not be able to see unity. As long as we are trying to see the world with our ears and nose and our mouth and our sense of touch, we may not be able to find true spiritual unity, because unity is a spiritual it's a spiritual principle, and that comes when we look at the world through the eyes of the heart and vetted by our intelligence.